Alright, in this video, we're going to see how to create a zone inside your Koolmesh project and how to add devices to it. We're starting from a project that's already been created, so let's go straight into the zone creation. Tap on Create Zone. Give it a clear and descriptive name, something that makes sense when looking at the floor plan. For example, Meeting Room 1. You can also add a photo, maybe a stock image, or even better, a real photo of the room or the floor plan. Once the zone is created, now let's tap Add Device. The application will start scanning for nearby devices. After a few seconds, you'll see all the available Koolmesh devices appear on screen. From here, you can identify each device, for example, by blinking its light. When you select the devices, you might notice two pop-ups here, one about OTA updates and another about the device's default behavior when it's added. We'll look at both of them in detail in the next videos. Simply assign the device to the correct zone. In this case, Meeting Room 1. You can also rename the device to match its position on the floor plan. For example, Luminaire 1.1. That makes it much easier to manage later on. Once the adding process is finished, repeat the same process for all the devices in that space. Select the devices and add them to the corresponding zone, identifying them if needed, and renaming them accordingly. Here, we'll do it quickly, just to show you the initialization time for 2 more devices. This sets all the parameters, scenes, and data each device needs to operate autonomously within the network. That's it. Your zone is ready, and your devices are now grouped together. In the next video, we'll go through 3 important things to know when adding devices: how to create a preset or default behavior for new devices, how to perform over-the-air updates, and how to add devices when the project and names are already created on the Koolmesh web platform.